How to upload a video to YouTube. Here's a basic overview and example to follow. First, make sure you're signed into YouTube. Return to the previous page. Click the button Create. This will give you various options to upload content. Select Upload Video. The video upload page will open. Select the video file for upload. You will need to navigate to the spot where your upload is saved on your PC. YouTube will automatically use the file name as the title. You can change the title or add to it. I like adding a hashtag to all my titles. Next, create a description about the content. The more you add, the better, but try be specific about the content. Also include hashtags in your description. The thumbnail can be uploaded or YouTube AI generated. A lot of content creators spend time with this element as this is the first image a person sees before playing your video. Once confirmed, select Done. A playlist is a collection of videos. This can be yours or other videos. It's not an important element to complete. For reference, I used a playlist for music. The video I uploaded is a song. Proceed to the next step. Click Done whenever you complete a step. Regardless of your location, you're legally required to comply with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, COPPA, and/or other laws. If you select Made for Kids, no adverts will be generated. I always use No, it's not made for kids. Then click the next drop-down menu. Here I select No, don't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. Unless the content is adult in nature. Paid promotion. If you accepted anything of value from a third party to make your video, you must let us know. We'll show viewers a message telling them that your video contains paid promotion. You simply tick the box if so. This is not a paid promotions video, so it has been unselected. Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role in helping viewers to find your video. Your video's title, thumbnail and description are more important pieces of metadata for your video's discovery. I still add a few by default. Indicate if the video is a paid promotion. List the recording language. You will see a drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate option. Select the appropriate option. Select the appropriate option. Select video created date. Show the video locatio. Just type your location, but this is not a required variable. I selected London. Proceed to the next step. Select the video license. Select video category. Enable comment restrictions. Manage comment settings. Proceed to the next step. Subtitles can be auto-generated or you can upload your script. End screen can show your other videos or a banner for your channel. You can choose from various options. Proceed to the next step. Proceed to the next step. Proceed to the next step. Save or publish the video. Set video visibility. Proceed to publish. You can then copy the link. This is generally available in standard definition, but once processing is complete it will be set to the standard you uploaded. Click on the link and there you go, you have published a YouTube video. Thanks for watching, give us a thumbs up and a sub.